Hello kids, today I am going to teach you chapter 1 Fundamentals of Computer Science. Computer is an electronic device which processes the data according to given instructions to produce information that helps us to take important decisions. It works on IPO cycle, input, process and output. Okay, whatever we gives to the input to the computer as an input, that processed by the processing device, that is CPU, and after processing it goes to the output device and it shows the result on output device. Okay, that is called, whatever we get, that result is known as output. Okay, see, there are mainly four categories of computer system. We can say that according to their size and the types, based on its size, computer system size and types, we can categorize it in four categories: mini computer, microcomputer, mainframe computers, and the last is supercomputers. Okay, there are mainly two parts of computer system. First is hardware, second is software. Hardwares are the physical parts of computer system which we can touch and feel, like keyboard, mouse, printer, microphone. These all parts are known as hardware. Okay, second is software. Softwares are the set of instructions which tells the computer system that what to do and how to do, how can perform a particular task. Okay, see, there are two categories of software, that is system software and application software. Software further categorized in two categories, that is system software and application software. System software example is operating system, and the application software which designed for a perform a particular task, like to perform calculations, to do calculations, we design that MS Excel. Okay, uh, these all are MS PowerPoint, and these all are application softwares. Okay, next is characteristics of computer system. See, there are many characteristics of computer system. These are accurate. The computer speed is very fast. Storage capacity is very huge, and it can perform multiple tasks at a time. We can call it multitasking. These are all our computers are multitasking, and we can say that it reduce the paperwork of art. Okay, see, first one, speed. Computer is very fast calculating device. Its speed is measured in megahertz and gigahertz. It has the capacity to perform billions of instructions per second. Accuracy. Computer is very accurate device. Whether if we give wrong instructions, the user or the programmer if give wrong instructions, then it gives a wrong result. Okay, otherwise 101% computers gives accurate result. Okay, it performs very active every activity with great accuracy. If it makes any mistake, that is due to wrong instructions or input supplied by the programmer or user. Okay, next is storage capacity of computer system. See, computer have two types of memory to store the things. You know all the things, that types of memory you have read in earlier classes: RAM, ROM, primary memory, secondary memory, all these things. Okay, see, these all are your types of memory, two types of memory, primary and secondary. See, computer has capacity to store very large amount of data. It has two types of memory, primary and secondary. Primary memory which store the data temporary into it, and the secondary memory stores the data permanently. Next is automatic. Computer can perform its output, all the activities automatically without human intervention. Like it's not need to give any instructions we gives only the input and it gives its on according to its on, it gives the output. Okay, next is diligency. Diligency means the capability of performing something continuously. It gives if we give anything to the computer again and again, it never feel tired and it never show the lack of concentration. Okay, so the computer does not feel tired and lack of concentration, it gives accurate result. This is called diligency. Versatility. Versatile nature is of computer. Versatile means to perform more than one task at a same time. At the same time it can perform many more tasks. Okay, so computer is versatile machine since it can be used to listen songs as well as to print something on paper, or many more operations at the same time we can do on computer system. Okay, and one more thing, that is it reduce the paperwork. Okay, redundancy of paper. See, this is all about your characteristics of computer system. Watch this video and go through with your book. Okay, read chapter. Next part of this chapter I'll give you in next video.